the bull tore him a new one. Bull? An American man messed with the bull and got the horns. Benjamin Miller, a 22-year-old, this is amazing, look at this, from Georgia, no less, traveled to Spain for a bullfighting festival, and it didn't end well. Well, it ended in his end. The bull bum rushed his bum, injuring his back, thighs, and sphincter. I had to practice saying that before the show. The surgeon who performed the 3-hour operation on Miller said, quote, "It's not the worst injury I've seen, but it's the biggest goring wound I've ever had to operate on." Wow. Meanwhile, the bull wasn't done goring people. Let's take a look. You feel really bad, don't you?
That's awful.
Yeah, it was embarrassing for the bull, but that's on the blooper videos. If you ever watch the bull blooper videos, did you ever see that? Saget hosts it. Oh, you find them demeaning?
America's Funniest Bull blooper
Yes,
videos.
yes, it's great.
There's a lot of China shops involved.
Yes, it's so true. Catherine, why do people keep doing this? They always think that they're not going to be the one that gets gored, but somebody has to get gored.
Right, because he's stupid. I don't know. I feel kind of bad for him. He's got a lot of problems. He's really hurt. Plus, now he's got to be bull butt kid forever.
Yeah, he's never going to live
What
it down.
kind of brand is that for yourself? You know, you come out of college, oh, you're the bull butt kid. You know, what kind of job you get? What kind of get well cards are you getting? Are people even sending them? Like, or are they just like, you're an idiot card?
But see, he's 20. This is what you do when you're 20,
Is
Joe. I think so.
It's not what I did when I was 20.
I might have done something like that when I was 20. I wouldn't remember it.
You as the bull or as the person?
Yeah.
I think I might have had a horn up my ass one or two, two
one
times.
or two times.
Yes, exactly. Is it hard to have sympathy for this when you know that this is a risk that they accept?
Well, I don't know why we're spreading it around in the media, because it just, the bull wins.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, and how did this bull get radicalized?
I don't know.
What is the bull trying to get across here?
Exactly. So by playing this tape
You're
over and over,
encouraging other bulls to do the same thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, but not all. It's not all bulls.
Well,
Joe, and
I mean, that's what you
it's important
say,
to know.
but
I think it's
every time
important
I
to say
turn on
that.
the news and someone's been gored in the ass
This
with a
happened a
horn,
lot?
it's been a bull.
Yeah, but
Am I
look,
missing it a lot?
I'm not saying a lot of gorers aren't bulls. I'm just saying
Not all bulls
not all
are
bulls are gorers, is what
Yes.
I'm saying. Yeah.
I just wish the bull community would apologize for.
you know what?
Yes.
No, I'm just hoping for the moderate bulls. We're the moderate bulls.
Why are they
They're the
speaking
ones
out
who get
against
lost in all of this.
That's true. That's true. The moderate bulls, they need their Gandhi, Andy.
And is that doctor just sticking around to see a worse injury than the one? And he's like, no, this isn't it.
By the way,
This didn't do it.
he seeed like he was on site.
Yeah, they said he was. They keep
Well,
the
yeah,
doctor
when
on
you're
site.
a gore specialist,
Yeah, you
where
need to
else
be
are
there
you
kind of
gonna go?
ASAP, I feel like. I feel like
Yeah.
you can't wait in an ER for that.
I don't know. It's just natural selection of
But yeah, look, I'm not saying I
Yes.
want this stupid
Yes, it
kid to
is.
die, but I am saying I don't care if he does.
Yeah.
Anytime an animal is abused, I'm on the side of the animal when it fights back. If one of the dogs Michael Vick used for dogfighting had bitten his head off, I would have been fine with that too. This is the same thing.
What do you think, Joanna? Are you attracted to men who travel and take risks? He probably did this for a girl like you, and then he comes back with a big hole in his rectum and you dump him because you don't want to date a guy with 2 rectums.
I don't.
No, you don't.
Again.
Just
I
again.
thought about it.
You went through that.
After that time,
Yeah.
he was the guy with 2, and then I was the girl dating him.
Yes.
You know, my reputation was soiled.
It was. Many things were.
If you want an adrenaline rush, there are so many other things you can do. And I get it's like when in Rome, when in Spain. But in Spain, they have tapas.
Yeah, they do.
You know, they have
Delicious.
great, you know, food and drink, and then take a siesta. That's
Yes.
exciting.
You're supposed to run in a zigzag line. I know that from Googling once. If you're gonna do that, Google it.
Yes.
And figure out the right way to do it first.
Yes, but you know what? You never know. You never know. And it's great. The fact is, everybody watches this so you could see the gore. That's what it's about. So he actually delivered. But you know what's great about this whole thing? It's one of the few activities where the regret is instant. Because you knew that the moment that it got close, he just goes, what the was I thinking? Now, my whole life, my whole world has changed because I thought that this was going to be great. That's the feeling you have when you're falling to your death. You're kind of like you're showing off.
Wait, how do you know that that's the reaction?
That's how I felt when I left my laptop on the subway.
Really?
Yeah,
Yes.
I did. I got it back.
Oh, you
I got
did?
it back because lost and found somehow. There
But
was like the
your
one good
nudies
person in
were
New
not
York.
on there anymore.
No, nope, none of that. I had my phone with me, so we're all good.
Okay, that's great. Good for you.
I just want to point out, just because I don't like when we get facts wrong, he doesn't have 2 rectums. He has 1 giant rectum.
It's fun time.
Do you know that?
Yes, yes.
Oh, terrible. We do wish him well. I have to add
Yeah,
that.
I was going to say, it is a human being.
It is a human, but there's a human. There's part of me that says, look, you expect this.
That's what happened.
No,
That's
sure.
what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, the Bulls doing fine, by the way, right? I don't know.
Killed it.
Did they?
They usually kill him.
Do they really do? See, that's wrong.
Yeah.
That's wrong. Now I don't know what to
In
think.
bullfights, I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
know anymore.
Well, where does he go? That's a good question. Anybody know where the Bull is? Give me a call on my private number. You probably have it. Just go to the chat room, gregsbull.org. What am I talking about? Coming up, children, little humans or giant insects covered in skin. We report, you decide. But first, college students taking drugs. Pulitzer Prize, here I come.